practical application of hydraulic ball press is very wide, can produce all kinds of materials. Powder ball forming block. The purpose of its equipment is to reduce dust, control capacity, return utilization, improve transport characteristics, and other capacity design. Hydraulic ball press roll with 65 manganese casting. After special heat treatment, the hardness can reach more than 58 degrees. The roller is assembled in combination and can be replaced after wear. Hydraulic ball press has a buffer device, which can better protect the equipment from the impact of hard objects. Hydraulic ball press is designed with ball bowl adjustable device, so that the two-roller ball bowl is always within the adjustable range, never dislocation. The actual density of the material in the process of ball pressing can be increased by 1 to 3 times, so as to meet certain strength requirements.